Amazon is planning to start using drones for deliveries in the UK from next year. Well, they're already operational in some parts of the US. The BBC's business correspondent, Emma Simpson, travelled to a small town in California where the service has just quite literally taken off.
You know what it's like, waiting for an online order, wondering when the van is going to turn up.
But look into the distance. This one's coming by air. In the small town of Lockford, California, Amazon is using drones to deliver packages to customers. This service is coming to the UK too. Jeff loves it.
It's fun. I never thought I'd be getting packages delivered in my backyard. So when you order it, we see it within 20 to 30 minutes. So obviously quicker than having to run to the store and getting this stuff.
What about the noise?
The noise it's a little loud, but it doesn't disturb me.
Mission accepted.
Pre-flight checks complete.
Cleared by all, launching.
So how does it work?
So now the exciting bit.
We're the first to see behind the scenes at Amazon's launch facility. Here's a parcel going out. It can't be bigger than a shoebox, nor weigh more than 5 pounds. The drone can reach customers up to 3.5 miles away. The rules are strict. Each flight is monitored and there's a human eye keeping tabs on it too. A flying robot that knows exactly where to go.
How does it know not to bump into anything?
So our Sense and Avoid technology will observe a threat in the sky or on the ground, make a course correction, and safely find a path to deliver to customers.
Drones are never going to replace vans, but this is a glimpse of the future. Online deliveries in just minutes.
And here at this Amazon site in Seattle, a new drone is being unveiled.
This is a drone coming to the UK. It's smaller, it's lighter, it travels further, and it's most importantly at least 40% quieter to our previous drone.
Is that safe?
It's absolutely safe. It is hundreds of times safer than driving to the store.
Just one location to begin with. Exactly how and where it can fly has still to be worked out.
You know, we'll scale slowly, we'll scale with communities, and we'll scale based on what our regulatory approvals are.
Amazon believes the demand is there. Here in America, though, progress hasn't been quick, but it's got big ambitions, aiming for 500 million global drone deliveries by the end of the decade. Emma Simpson, BBC News, Lockford, California.